In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a gradient background in Premiere Pro, as you can see on the screen. So, let's get started. Now we are inside Premiere Pro. First of all, from the project panel, we have to create a black video. This is a black still image. And then, let's drag and drop the black video into the timeline. After that, let's go to the Effects panel to apply an effect. Within the Effects panel, search for 4-Color Gradient. It's typically located under the Video Effects folder and then a subfolder called Generate. Now drag and drop the 4-Color Gradient effect to the black video layer. As you can see on the program monitor, a random gradient is displayed by default. Let's move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize the 4-Color Gradient effect. In the Positions and Colors panel, you can see there are 4 color parameters to access the color picker and choose your desired colors for each of the 4 positions in the gradient. And then, you can see there are 4 points parameter. These points define where each color starts and ends within the frame. Play around with these to achieve the desired flow of colors in your gradient. In the next step, let's change the first color. Here I am going to use a light green cyan color. By the way, you can use any color that you like. And then, let's change the second color for the gradient. Here I am going to use a blue color. By the way, you can use any color that you like. In the next step, we have to change the third color for the gradient. I am going to use a purple color. You can use any color that you like. And lastly, let's change the fourth color. Again, I am going to use a light green cyan color. By the way, you can use any color that you like. As I told you before, there are 4 points parameters. These points define where each color starts and ends within the frame. Play around with these to achieve the desired flow of colors in your gradient. You can resize and reposition the points. In the next step, let's make the blend parameter value around 500. The blend parameter controls the smoothness of the transition between colors. Higher values create a softer blend, while lower values result in a sharper distinction between colors. All right, as you can see on the program monitor, our gradient background creation is complete. In this way, you can easily create a gradient background in Premiere Pro. By following these steps and exploring the options within the 4-color gradient effect, you can create unique and visually appealing gradient backgrounds to enhance your editing projects. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.